Dear friends, this is 450X Gen 3. This is a portable charger wall mount. This is made out of plastic only, hard plastic. And they are given and charger stand also. Two pieces. This one, charger plug holder. And that it will have the two screw. Okay, you need to. I done the self installation only. Before installing this, you should measure that length. Okay, you should give this box to some others. You should keep the wires and you should measure how much, if it is coming, it will reach the scooter, and how much it will reach to plug point. Whether the scooter, if it is parked near to that, whether the charging adapter will reach to that to connect with the scooter, that and all you should measure. Because if you want, you can remove this from that out immediately. You can keep it in the scooter also, you can take out. After you've come now, you can connect it. This is a plug. Because here only for me the water won't falls. Other side and all, the water will fall into that if I install at the other side. You should check that also. If you are installing that safest place, water and sun. Now I'll do one thing, I'll push the vehicle to near to that charging point. I will show you. Now I parked near to my charging plug. Okay, I turned on the ignition. Okay, I opened the charger plug I taken. I plugged into that. Okay. Now I'll go to that side and to turn on that. Now I turn on the switch. Charging not yet started. Okay, charger only detector. I need to stop off the ignition. Now only charging started. Because if you are keeping in the floor, the rat or something, even kids also can touch. Okay, because I feel this is the very safest. This is safest ways to hold this charger. We can remove easily. We can put it over there easily. It is purchased through Amazon. I will show you. Now I'll turn on the ignition. Charger detected. Okay, first I'll turn off the power input, power plug. I'll remove the power plug. I will hold it here. This is Amazon purchased 1350. Okay, I will share the link in the description. You can buy it. This is actually plastic made out. Maybe made it through 3D printer. Now I'll remove this charging plug from scooter. Then I put it in that stand.